Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me. I'm back. I changed the channel to MUKburp, and I want to first say thanks to all of you who've been watching my videos since like 2 days ago. We've got 970 views in 48 hours, and that's crazy. Like the KFC video got 410 views. Burger King, McDonald's, the cheeseburger challenge thing has 410. Uh, sorry. Uh, and yeah, I'm just baffled for the amount of support I've been getting on those videos. Comments, views, likes, just I can't thank you guys enough. And yeah, just thanks for your support. Thanks for watching my videos. If if you want, you can please share, like a video, comment for an idea, give me a challenge, give me something to do. I'll be happy to do it. Right now, I think I got one more challenge, which I'm gonna do this weekend. Today is the 12th of June. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you guys comment, give me your suggestions, I'm pretty sure we can do something special. But today, without further ado, I got you guys the Sprite challenge. So, I'm gonna have to chug this Sprite and see how fast I can finish it. Uh, it's pretty straightforward. 2 liters, 140 calories per 12 ounce. I don't even know. I don't care if I die. Whatever. I'm blabbing too much. I'm gonna look for the timer, which is right here. Stopwatch. Right. First of all, we're gonna open it up. All right. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's too cold. Oh my god, brain freeze. Might have been going through half. But you keep trying though. Going for a minute and 40 seconds now. Not even through half. Oh my god. All right, we're almost halfway there. Halfway there. Ugh. Ugh. I'm gonna have so much diabetes after this. Ooh. Oh, almost there. Mm. Ooh. I don't think I can fit anymore in there. I gotta burp. I gotta make space. Ah. 6 minutes and 39 seconds. That is my record so far. And hopefully I don't have to do this ever again. Unless you guys want it, of course. You guys are the bosses here. I'm just a pawn. And yeah. I don't know if you guys want to stay a little while for the aftermath. So I'm not feeling pretty good. And I think if something happens, it's gonna be really good recorded. So fuck. So yeah, thank you guys for the views. Thank you for the subscribers. I think we're almost at 40 subscribers, which is, 40 people in front of their computer looking at me. And yeah, can't even. The fuck? I swear to Christ, I had something on me to make this work. Give me a minute. Alright. Something special for you guys, for your support, and I hope that this channel just keeps growing and growing. Fuck. Oh my God. Oh. Ooh. Oh, it's jamming. Ugh, that tastes disgusting. Fucking fish. Alright, it's getting smoky in here. Let's just shut it off. Which I think I can. But, yeah. Let's, tip it over enough for it to touch the water. Yo. It's not stopping. Fuck. Shit. Whatever, man. This is for you guys, so. Oh my God. Thank God it's over. I should get some water from here. Kind of like. Is that kind of like red? Glowing red a little? No, it's just me. It's just hallucinating. Whoa, I think I'm hallucinating. That's weird. Look, everything looks red to me. I mean, the stick looks red. It's weird, man. Alright, guys. I think that's it. It's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share the video. Comment the DS for the next one. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video as much as I didn't like doing it. Or regret doing it. I'll see you guys in the next one.